After the spectacular stay at our luxurious Hotel Mezzotorre on the volcanic island of Ischia, today I begin my journey to depart the island. Saying goodbye to Ischia, I'm leaving on a long private transfer to Naples. Because the sea was so strong, or agitato, as the Italians would say, I was not able to take the ferry, which would have been faster. This is why it is important to consult with a travel professional who will make sure your visit to Italy is during the right times, because the sea is unpredictable. My next stop, here with my private transfer, which in Europe will always be black car service. And now welcome to Positano, the most desired destination in all of Egypt. An hour's distance, Positano is a small town on southern Italy's Amalfi Coast. Positano is a well-known holiday destination. There, I was hosted at the family-owned exquisite Il San Pietro di Positano. This five-star luxurious hotel, originally constructed in 1962, has lush gardens on its terraces overlooking the amazing Amalfi Coast. Purchased as a dramatic promontory between Positano and Priano, a rocky outcrop that was home to nothing more than a small 17th century chapel dedicated to San Pietro, has now become one of Positano's most desired accommodations. Classic and elegant decor. Give yourself just a moment to take in all of the views and hear the amazing sounds of the Mediterranean Sea. Come with me to see where I'll be staying. My accommodations were part of the original villa, one of two that face Positano. Carlino starts construction, beginning with his own small house, now suites 23 and 24. Stepping onto the terrace, where you can definitely see exactly what made Carlino fall in love with this location. Il San Pietro di Positano has been and still is the home of hospitality. After settling in, I decided to roam through the town streets and went shopping at some of the unique boutiques. I spent the rest of my day enjoying the view and taking in the full essence of where I was. This small town was so magical, and I'm looking forward to exploring more of this magical town tomorrow. So until then, stay tuned, stay safe, and stay traveled.